we're currently at the Indianapolis Speedway Museum, which has been completely renovated, and as you can see, it looks phenomenal.
I think having the opportunity to experience the museum what it was before, we were not very technologically advanced, I would say. We didn't have a whole lot of interactive elements. It really was just a place to come and view and look at cars.
We had the privilege in working with this particular exhibit here. We were able to design and install a full immersive overhead display.
We really wanted to provide guests the experience of what it's like to be on the grid, that immersive experience of what that morning feels like. So you're seeing, additional footage when the cannon goes off and the fireworks are happening. That's all happening above you, and it's just really fantastic.
So one of the aspects that really helped this project to go the way that it did was to do with our partnership with Absen.
The museum wanted a sharp image, high brightness, and a reliable 24/7 operation. Our NX 1.8mm panels deliver that quality.
With the Absen NX, they come in multiple sizes. So for example, at the beginning of the display, we started with the larger panels. But then when we come to that curved section, we use their much thinner 240 wide panels. That gives that much more cleaner look.
Draper's frame let us lock the panels quickly and seamlessly and precisely.
When we design the mount, we make sure that we can design it for both safety and accuracy to make sure everything aligns the way that it's supposed to.
Welcoming guests in now, they really are just blown away by what they're seeing inside. We've had drivers come in here, and when they see this presentation, they say they've gotten chills and goosebumps, hair standing up on their arms.
I think it's amazing. It's so impressive.
We are so thrilled to be a part of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum, and we're looking forward to everybody seeing what we've been able to achieve.
A gentleman that works for the Speedway is typically on the very top of the pagoda during the flyover and said this was about as close as you can get to experiencing the real thing.